Drop that. Yeah, feel the funk, y'all. Yeah, feel the funk, y'all. Yeah, you lay back in the cut. What's up? What's up?
What's good, Creative Fam? Brandon Washington here. I am on the streets of Houston, Texas. We are downtown. I got my buddy right here. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about him in just a little bit. Hold up. But I decided today that I needed to get out and shoot. You know, it's been a super muggy, rainy, terrible couple days here in Houston. All of my commercial jobs have been like pushed back or rescheduled. And so I haven't got a chance to get out and shoot. And so I figured it's Friday, I gotta get out and shoot. I know y'all gonna see this on Monday, but this is our Motivational Monday. It's all about getting out and creating. You gotta get out, you gotta shoot no matter what. And it's ironic sometimes how the universe works. Because I woke up this morning, it was still muggy, but I decided, you know what? I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna shoot regardless to the weather. And you know what happened? The sun came out and it's a beautiful day. So let's shoot. Alright, so we still down here downtown, but I wanted to introduce y'all to my buddy Jay.
What up?
Actually, today is the first day we actually met in person. We met each other via Instagram. By the way, if y'all are on Instagram, follow us both right here and here. But Jay, go ahead and introduce yourself. Let them know who you is.
Yeah, man. What's up, everybody? It's Jason Osborne, J.O. Vision. If you didn't know, J.O. Vision is my Instagram. I'm sure you put it already. You already saw it. But anyway, yeah, Houston-based photographer, doing it full-time now. I got a YouTube channel, do tutorials, Lightroom, Photoshop, things like that. I shoot mostly portraits, but as you guys can see, we're shooting a lot of different things today. And yeah, man, check me out. I hope you guys learn something from my channel. If you do, check it out or enjoy the vlogs. And also make sure you keep and subscribe and check this dude out, because his item reviews, his gear reviews, his movies, his films, everything lit. You can definitely learn something from Brandon. I just appreciate the opportunity to work with him, honestly, for real.
Ooh, I think it's the first time somebody ever said my work was lit. But yeah, man, you know, the reason why we're doing this, first of all, is like I said before, like, you got to get out and you got to shoot. Even if you don't feel motivated to do it, you just got to get out and do it. Part of, like, the whole process is just getting out and learning what your gear can do. And the best time to learn what your gear can do is when you're out doing it for fun. It's not when you're actually out there on a job trying to figure it out. So getting out and shooting with like-minded individuals, meet new people. I know I said this in a past video. You got to get out, you got to meet new people, and you got to just keep shooting, because that's the only way you're going to get better. People always come to me and ask me advice, whether on YouTube or on Instagram. You know, how do you get better, or how do you become a professional? And it's literally practicing and doing things like this, going out with no plans, like legitimately no plans. The only sliver of a plan I had today was we were going to be shooting in an overcast day, and it was going to be teaching you guys how to shoot dealing with the elements. Well, you know what? The sun came out, the overcast day went away, and so all my plans were gone, but we still made this video happen. So go out there, shoot, keep shooting, find new people, go out there and just do what you do, which is create. You know, I just want to end this video off by saying to all of you guys out there who are aspiring creators, filmmakers, photographers, drone pilots, whatever the case may be, I know it's overly preached, trust me, because in the process of learning this craft, I heard it all the time. You got to practice, you got to practice, you got to practice, you got to practice. And it's very true. But there's another thing about practice. See, if you go out and you just practice doing the same things over and over again, you'll get better at those things, but you'll never really learn anything new or really challenge yourself. So here's a new one for you. Go out and practice with somebody new. And so what I mean by that is reach out to people, network, find other people who do what you do, and go practice with those people. Because the benefit there is you will learn from those people. They will teach you new things. I mean, out here with Jay, I've already learned a little bit about street photography because he does portraits, but he also does some street photography, and he's taught me, you know, little things about street photography that I didn't even know. And that's the best part about going out and networking and shooting for fun with people, is you pick up new things to go out and practice with. And so that's what I have for you guys. I challenge you, find somebody today in the comment section, on Instagram, however you got to do it. Find somebody in your area and go out and shoot with that person. I know it's Monday, I know it's supposed to be motivational, but I motivate you to go find somebody in your area and shoot with those people, because you'll be surprised how little things can make a big difference in your overall creative career. So go out, meet new people, shoot awesome things for the fun of it, and trust me, you'll learn way more than you would have learned going out and just trying to shoot by yourself. So with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said before, and in all my videos, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because this channel is all about filmmaking, gear, tips, tutorials, and I'll catch all of you guys in the next video. Peace.